In this video, I'm sharing a collection of free Adobe Premiere transitions that will save you time and help you achieve professional results. Watch until the end to learn how to install and use them in Premiere Pro. First, download the file using the link in the description, then extract it just like I'm doing here. Next, head back to Adobe Premiere, go to the Effects panel, right-click on Presets, and select Import Presets. Locate the folder on your PC and import it. You'll now have a solid collection of professional transitions to streamline your workflow. Now let me show you how to use them. The first and easiest method for me. Go to your project panel, click this icon, and choose New Adjustment Layer. Once created, drag it onto your timeline. You can resize it to adjust the transition speed. Longer for a smoother look, shorter for a faster dynamic. Place it right over your cut. Then drag the transition onto the adjustment layer twice. Once at the beginning and once at the end, just like I'm doing. The best part about this method is that you can easily copy and paste this adjustment layer anywhere in your video to apply the exact same effect. And there you go. A clean, professional transition. The second method. Grab the razor tool and cut your clip right where you want the transition to happen. Select that section, right-click, and choose Nest. Now, simply drag the transition onto this newly colored green clip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.